something that I've been really thinking about lately is trusting the timing of your life. I have been in a very different season of life, and sometimes I forget that as a soul, as humans, we have seasons where we are called to rest, seasons where we're called to hustle, where we're called to harvest. And I'm in this period of deep rest where I am being called to not hustle as much as I'm used to. And we know that society really teaches us that if we're not being productive, quote unquote, that we're useless and we're a failure. This whole week, and like I would say the past few months, I've just been getting really strong intuitive messages from my guides and from soul to just lean back and really trust the timing of life. And that doesn't mean that you're not allowed to like manifest, or you're not allowed to go for whatever that your soul is calling for. That's not what this means, but it's more about trusting the unfolding of it. Trusting that even though there are things that you cannot see in your physical reality, that things are still working out for you. Because what I've learned also is that life and the manifesting process is so energetic that there are so many things that are happening that we just physically cannot comprehend. And part of that process is actually being okay with everything unfolding for your highest potential. And I know that it can be really uncomfortable when you're in that period of nothing happening, or things happening for other people, and you're like questioning your life and you're questioning yourself, like, why is it happening for them but not happening for me? And I've been in that sort of energy, I would say, in the past few months. I'm like, why is my life a little bit stagnant? Like, why is everyone just like living and like doing all these things, and I'm just here, just watching and observing everyone? Like, I've had those kind of victim thoughts of, when is it going to be my turn? But again, from doing Joe Dispenza's work, and also I've been reading Autobiography of a Yogi by Paramahansa Yogananda in the past few months, and it's like sometimes you just forget that life is seasonal and nothing is meant to be the same for everyone. And I also believe, like being in the law assumption community, that if it's happening for other people in your reality, that is just confirmation that it is for you as well, right? So there's no such thing as like, oh my God, this person is getting this, which means I'm not getting it. It's like, oh, this person is experiencing something that I desire because it's showing me that it's possible. So yeah, like, I don't know if this video made sense, but I just wanted to talk about trusting the timing of your life and trusting the unfolding process, because everything is unfolding for your highest good. So that's the message from your spirit guides today. Okay, bye.